Let's quickly break down the updates to the 2026-2027 COVID-19 vaccine. The target here is the XFG strain, part of the JN.1 lineage, and this is going to be monovalent, meaning it's only targeting that single strain. But it's important to know that there have been decreases in sample sequencing, which are important to tell us what are the current most common circulating strains. But this vaccine is expected to be available in 2 mRNA formulations and 1 protein formulation in early to mid-fall. And let's quickly talk about how these vaccines actually work. So if we look at the outside of a SARS CoV-2 virus, they have spike proteins that are important for them infecting a healthy cell. So they're a great target for us to design a vaccine against, so we can show our immune system what those proteins look like, so they'll be on the lookout for them in case one comes in contact with that virus. However, we have to take into account that those spike proteins now have mutations for the XFG variant. If we follow the protein-based method, these spike proteins are going to be grown in the lab and purified, mixed with an adjuvant, and then delivered as a vaccine, showing our bodies exactly what those spike proteins look like so our immune system can step in and create memory. If we follow the mRNA-based method, we're going to design an mRNA that codes for the spike protein, so the instructions that build a protein. We're going to encapsulate that in a lipid nanoparticle and then deliver that as a vaccine. Because as those lipid nanoparticles deliver that mRNA or those instructions to our cells, then we can make the spike protein and then trigger our immune system to come in, recognize what that protein looks like, and then be on the lookout for it in the future. So let us know in the comments if you plan on receiving your updated COVID-19 vaccine. And for many more scientific lessons, make sure you visit danegarvin.com. Thank you for watching my latest video. And if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel by clicking over here. And you may also enjoy a related video that I have, which you can find by clicking over here. I'll see you on the next one.